When we work with Excel, we'll see different types of sheets are there. Each Excel file is a workbook, and inside this workbook we'll see different sheets are there. We can rename the sheet or we can insert new sheet. If we right click of the sheet, it will bring different menus are there. We can do many things. Now if we click anywhere of this Excel workbook or sheet, then we'll find a circle box is there. Not circle, is a rectangular like thing, and here we'll see couple of numbering like 1 2 3 4 something like that, like 10 11 12 like this way, and then A B C D this way. So if you click anywhere, basically it is selecting that area and we'll find the number is there F11. So this A B C, these are actually row column, so these are column, and this number 9 10, these are the rows. So when you choose anywhere of this sheet, basically we are choosing on particular area, right? And in Excel it is called cell. So this is the location of or address of the cell. So F11 for example for this case. So here we are seeing A B C D E, and this is F. So this is F column like this F, and this is row number 9. That's why it is showing F9. In this way, if we click anywhere of this Excel or book or worksheet, we will find like this area is selected, and here this is the number like J11. That means it's the J column, and this is the 11 number of row. So in this way, we can see of that particular cell location. Now to format this cell, actually we can select it and then right click. It will give us different options are there to do many things, and also there is a mini like toolbar where we can format this cell also. And on the right side you will see the zoom panel is there. If we click this plus, it will be increased. I mean all the text or Excel worksheet, it will be increased, and if we click minus, it will be decreased. There is a scroller, we can actually like we can scroll left or right like this way, and it will be zoom, and in the middle it is 100%. This is the actual format or actual style. And now if we want to scroll the Excel or sheet, we can either scroll like this way, or we can use this bar and hold it, and we can drag to go to the next line or next area. We can scroll it, and here there are a couple of tabs are there, file or other tabs like insert, draw, this one. If we select anywhere, then this that particular ribbon will be changed, and all tool related to this data, draw or other tab, it will be appeared over there, and now we can do our own work. So this way we can easily explore an Excel worksheet, and we can time to time we can also switch the worksheet based on our own need, and we can explore multiple rows or cell altogether or column.